no, PS is already trip. PAH. PAH. Look for
PAH.
PAH. Yeah, next one, below.
This one.
There you go. And this anyway, I'm sure it's P1 because already yesterday we are considered this as P1, right?
P1, yeah.
Yeah.
Is correct.
Okay.
So how many P1? How many P1? Okay, so I will.
But
No.
the PAL here in the slack catcher, maybe we can consider P2 only, right? Low pressure.
And low pressure will not create. No, low pressure we said LOPC will happen, no? In the slack catcher, LOPC will happen because the low pressure, the liquid will not transfer there.
Okay.
And if the liquid will not transfer, this will create a blocked outlet case. And this will on the side.
Okay. Finally, it will go.
Yeah, yeah. So now what I want to do, I want to unfilter here. Before we go for lunch break, I want to just quickly
Now.
go for P1. How many P1 are there? We'll see. So this is a P1. Okay, let us set with the P1 first. These are the P1 so far now.
I only have 3.
Right.
Mostly pressures only.
Yeah. And let us go for P2 because P2 should be not be more than 15 minutes. I'm not going with that direction, but I am just want to try to understand that we are going in the right direction, yes or no. This is a P2.
13.
How many? 13, yes.
13.
So we should ensure that P2 should not be more than 15%. That's okay. We are going good. We are going good.
Okay. Okay.
And but this is P3, yes, correct. Okay.
Okay. Let's have a break and we'll come back at what time?
It's 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock will be good. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, guys.